And we're back. We're going to jump right back into the Children's Hope India Annual Gala in Chelsea Piers in New York City. Let's take a look.
The Lotus Award is a highly prestigious award, honoring professionals who have shown their leadership in and dedication to social responsibility. To present the award, we have Poonam and AJ Kubani of Telebrands. They have also sponsored the Lotus Award.
Congratulations to Daryl and Mel, well-deserved recipients of this year's Lotus Award.
We thank Children's Hope for providing this platform. We embrace you for your years of friendship and support and celebrate all of you, the framework of our lives, as Mel and I mark our journey together.
Today's recipient of the Lotus Award is Dr. Samin Sharma, who performs over 1,500 complex coronary interventions every year.
I also wanted to give a message, and I'll just stop it with that how can you achieve what you want to do is very simple. Very rarely you may get a lotto, but it's nothing there. It's all your hard work and your dedication, your discipline, and which I tell particularly the message to my kids being here and our young generation of the CH2 is what you need to do, you need to be focused. And focus could be that simple. There could be many examples. What has been the main example of my life has been when Guru Dronacharya, as you know, asked to many of his pupils that try to have that tir, to kill a bird on a tree, and everybody said different things. And it was the Arjun who said that, what do you see? When Dronacharya asked, he said, I see only the eye of that bird. So in order you to be successful in your life, you need to be focused, and not only focused, you need to work hard for it, because things do not come easy. All is just the reflection and the fruit of your hard work.
Please welcome Urmi Basu.
It's a distinguished honor for me to be standing here and receiving this very prestigious Making a Difference Award. 11 years ago, when I started the program with 10,000 rupees only, I had no idea about what kind of difference I would be able to make in the lives of the children of prostitutes living in a God-forsaken little dingy lane of Kalighat in Kolkata. But I'm convinced that nothing is impossible. When you have a dream and you make it a mission of your life, and you're willing to work hard and risk everything that you have in your life, that dream definitely comes true.
talking to Dina. She's the past president of Children's Hope, and Kavita, the current president of Children's Hope. Ladies, very spectacular gala tonight, and I think kudos to you. I mean, it's all work that goes back behind as a team, you know. So tell us, first of all, you know, what are you envisioning for Children's Hope, and how much did you raise tonight?
Yeah, well, we are trying to keep every child's dream alive. So today was a very great turnout. We raised close to $500,000 this year, net. So we are very pleased with how it's turned out.
That's great. $500,000 in one night. Yes. That's pretty good. That's really good.
Yes.
It shows all that people believe in this organization and the work that you've been doing for the last 20 years next year.
Yes, and thanks to all our supporters, our sponsors, because without them, this would not have been possible.
And Dina, tell us about some projects that Children's Hope is currently working on.
Our biggest project is in Katputli Colony in Delhi, where we have adopted a huge slum community where we are reaching out to about 2,000 children. We have non-formal educational centers here just to motivate the kids who are in the slums, who are not in any schools, transitioning them into the schools. And once we get them into the schools, then we try and take care of their medical needs and also try and help their home situation by helping the mothers. You know, we have self-help groups. So our approach is really a very comprehensive approach where we don't just take care of one segment, but all the components that go towards making a difference in the life of a child.
How many children's lives have you touched?
I would say right now on an ongoing basis, we are reaching out directly or indirectly to more than 50,000 children in India. Yeah, right from the slum communities to even remote villages in Rajasthan, where we have a medical outreach program, places where there is no doctor, no clinic, just quacks who are treating people. Our van goes out from the global hospital trying to reach to these communities.
So next year is your 20th year, and what's going to be the theme?
It's a surprise, but we are hoping we get more and more sponsors to come in and make the 20th year the most spectacular year we've had.
So keep it royal, huh?
Yes, thank you.
Thank you, ladies.
Thank you, Raina.
A glamorous night for a noble cause. You can't get any better than that. Thank you so much for joining us for this segment of Center Stage. If you would like to contact us, email us at cs@globosatent.com and visit us on the web at gen-i.us.com. I'm your host, Juhi Desai, wishing you all a very happy Diwali. Sahara Pranam.